Hi everybody, so my name is Kerry and I'm a Master Trainer for Beauty Angels Academy. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what is inside this lovely kit. This is the Beauty Angels starter kit. A lot of you guys have been asking, like students have been asking me, do we get a kit when we start the course? What's inside of the kit? So today I'm going to show you what's inside of the kit, and yes, you do get a kit once you start the basic microblading shade course. This is such an amazing kit. You'll be able to literally start practicing, and this would be enough to get you started with a couple of students once you've taken the course. So this is just for you guys to see what's actually inside of the box, because I've got so many questions saying, do we get a kit? What's inside of the kit? So let me just show you. So this is the Beauty Angels lovely kit. It's like, it's so pretty. I just love the design of the box as well. And it smells nice as well. I know that sounds funny, it's because there's some lovely aftercare angel aftercare that's in there. Ta-da! There is quite a lot inside of this box, so I'm just literally gonna show you everything that is inside. You get a disposable tool box. This is 10 pieces, and this is literally sterilised. This is an amazing tool. I'm going to show you a bit more about this later, but so you get a box of these. This is a C flat nano blade, so you get these. And you get another box. This is a U nano blade, again disposable tools. There's 10 inside of this. And then another box, and this one is a U 9 flat shader. So this is for when you're doing the manual shading part of the brows. So the other two for more of like microblading hair strokes, and these are for shading. So these are so good. And you also get my favourite, some good practice mats. Like these mats are amazing. Like some of the mats have hair strokes already printed on them, so you can go over and trace the hair stroke pattern, and then there's like plain ones at the bottom, so you can like do the whole brow yourself. So these are really good to like practice with the practice mats. So you get some of those. You get Angel Care wipes. So these Angel Care wipes, these are for your client. And you get a multi-tool. So this is when you're just putting the blade inside and you actually want to use a multi-tool instead of the disposable one, so you get one of those. Really nice. These are blades that will go in the multi-tool. So this is a flat C, so you get 50 blades in here, which is really nice. You get scissors and tweezers. I just have to show you these, they're so pretty. So you get a pair of scissors and tweezers as well. I'm just going to quickly open the box and show you what I mean. So, ta-da! Rose gold. The colour is so pretty, so you get those as well. I think they're so nice. And you get Angel Care gel. So this is the Angel Care, which is the aftercare for the actual clients. So you get a nice box of these. There's 18 pieces in here. And you get the golden ratio compass. This is my favourite. So this is the tool that you will use to map out the eyebrows and find out the eyebrow design on your clients. Really nice. And you get some eyebrow stencils. So these are the eyebrow stencils that you can stick on the client and use kind of as a ruler just to check the measurements. So these are really handy, and you get 30 pieces of those in this box. And what else? Oh yeah, these are the pencils. So you get a set of pencils. One is brown and one is a black colour. So these are the pencils that you'll use on your clients when you're drawing out the shape. They're really nice, these pencils, I love them. And last but not least, pigments! You get a whole range of pigments, like all of these pigments. So you get some colour corrector colours, and you get from the blonde range to the darker browns. Like this is enough pigments to get you through starting with your practicing and to start out your first few clients. So these pigments are really nice, so you get those as well, included in the kit. So yeah, as I said, this is quite a lot in the kit, and a lot of you guys were asking what's inside, but all of these tools are quality and I love them. But before we go, I just wanted to show you one thing which I'm just so fascinated about, which is really great. This disposable tool, which is in the boxes that you get, is amazing, because it's literally like double blades here. Like us microblading artists, we sometimes use, or I even sometimes use, two blades, like two separate tools, which is obviously costing me more money. But Beauty Angels Academy have created this tool where you have two blades in one, so you can use this side of the blade to do the first pass, like the first head strokes and stuff, and then you can literally flip it around like a bullet and put it in the same holder, and then it's got like a nano blade at the end, so when you're doing your second pass you can fill it in with a tiny smaller blade, but it's in one tool, so that is very clever. So it's really, really nice. It's got even the ring on it, so you can pop the ring on your hand, put the pigment in when you're actually doing the treatment. So I just wanted to show you that. It's easy to use, so yeah, amazing. So I just wanted to share that with you. A lot of my students were emailing me and messaging me about the kit, so I thought, why not show you the kit? So I hope you've enjoyed listening and watching, and my students out there or anybody inquiring, if you still have more questions about the kit or anything else about courses, please message me, you know where to find me. My website is kerrybbeauty.com, or you can find me on Instagram at kerrybbeauty. We're here to help. There's the Beauty Angel website as well, live chat if you've got any inquiries. But yeah, that's it. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening. The sky's the limit. Bye!